by Willy Søvndal.
Hey, today I have to fortælle jer about the ice, because the ice is melting on the pole, and it's very curious, because isbjørn is dying, so we have to get them away, and we have to make the climate better. And in Africa, the barn is very swollen, and I think we have to give them milk so they can overleve. Okay? Vi er nødt til at tage det. We have to take it very serious, because we can't overlive without the isbjørn and without the children from Africa. Oh my God! What the fuck? Okay, but now I'm gonna output my talk and say, help the burn in Africa.